Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make MetaTrader 5 dark mode. Alright, so let's begin. Are you guys facing issues getting dark mode on the MetaTrader 5 app? If that's the case, then this video might help you out. First of all, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your device. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version to avoid any glitches. Once the app is open, go ahead and scroll down your device's notification bar. From the quick settings panel, look for the dark mode or night mode icon. Once you tap on that icon, the system-wide theme will change, and so will the appearance of your MetaTrader 5 app. It will now be in dark mode. This makes it much easier on the eyes, especially if you're trading late at night or in low-light environments. And that's all, guys. So that's basically how you can make MetaTrader 5 dark mode. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.